Okay, so there's another thing that we need to do here. I'm going to remove some of this stuff. And this is in regards to the station line or the center lines. And what we need to do here is a couple things. We want to create an estimated width. We need to estimate the width of the bridge. We were given a width by the vendor, but we deleted that. We don't want to use that. We're going to do the estimated width of the bridge. And let's see what else we're missing here. Oh, we haven't done the thickness attribute as well. So one of the things that we're going to need is the thickness attribute. And so we can do that by adding a field here called thick. And what this is this is for to get the estimated thickness of the bridge. So each bridge, I've added thickness bridge. So what is the thickness field? The thickness field is the estimate, what we estimate as being the concrete base of the highway or the bridge itself. So those that have major roads at a certain classification or code, they get assigned a bridge thickness of 2 meters. And then the rest of them get a thickness of 1 meter, except for the sky bridges, which will receive a thickness of 5 meters. And there is a little table that I include in here to show you based off of the F code. This is the thickness that we want to assign to the bridges. So we could just do a simple query. So in the written documentation that I have, it kind of goes over how to do this. We'll use the thickness to do some calculations. So this is the query that we want to get those anything with a major road of 5.1 would be given a value of 2. Everything else is a value of 1 except for sky bridges, which is a value of 5. And so if I query this in ARC, and we're going to run this query on the bridge polygons. Code less is greater than 5.110 and code is less than 5.1. So it will give me all of those bridges with those values. And if I go to the selected ones, now these should all also, you'll see the pattern. They're all the major roads, right? Primary, secondary. And this is all based off of the OpenStreetMap GIS codes documentation, which I've included also in this mix of documents for the bridge specifications. So go ahead and assign the thickness here of 2. And this could be done anytime. This could be done in initial stages. I think in my notes I have this going before we do some of these other things. It doesn't matter as long as this gets populated at some point, and the sooner the better. And probably the best time to do it is once you probably the best time to do is when you first do it. So that didn't really make any sense what I just said, but so now I want to query the F class as being a sky bridge, building sky bridge, apply. And there's 13 sky bridges, and I'm going to assign this as a value of 5. Now what do we have? We have the 2s and the 5s populated. That means the remaining are going to all be a thickness of 1. So we'll just query the thickness equals null, or I'm sorry, thickness is null. Okay, thick is null. Go to the select it, populate this with 1. And and that is how you assign the thickness to the bridges.